Hey there, food enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, the place where we uncover the mysteries behind your favorite dishes. Today, get ready for a culinary adventure as we dive into the world of Vietnamese cuisine. We're about to reveal some unknown facts about a popular street food delight, Bánh Mì Xíu Mại. So, grab a seat, and let's explore the secrets that make this dish truly special. Bánh Mì Xíu Mại is a unique twist on the traditional bánh mì sandwich, and its secret lies in the flavorful Xiu Mai, or Vietnamese meatballs, nestled inside the crusty baguette. But did you know there's more to this dish than meets the eye? Let's uncover the unknown facts. The fusion of flavors. Bánh Mì Xíu Mại is a harmonious blend of French and Vietnamese influences. The crispy baguette, a legacy of French colonialism, perfectly complements the savory Vietnamese meatballs. It's a marriage of textures and tastes that create a symphony in your mouth. Versatility of Xiu Mai. Now, let's talk about these little wonders. Xiu Mai. These aren't your ordinary meatballs. The Xiu Mai in Bánh Mì Xíu Mại are crafted with a mix of pork, sometimes beef, and a secret blend of spices that varies from vendor to vendor. The result? A burst of umami that keeps you coming back for more. Regional variations. Just like many other Vietnamese dishes, Bánh Mì Xíu Mại has regional twists. In the north, you might find a slightly different blend of spices, while in the south, the meatballs could be accompanied by unique local ingredients. It's a testament to Vietnam's rich culinary diversity. Now that we've unveiled these hidden facts, how about we head to a local market and see how Bánh Mì Xíu Mại is made? Historical significance. Did you know that Bánh Mì Xíu Mại has historical significance? In the mid-20th century, during economic hardships, street vendors began crafting these delicious sandwiches to provide affordable and filling meals to the working class. It's a testament to the resilience and resourcefulness of the Vietnamese people. Saigon's influence. Now, let's talk about Saigon's influence on Bánh Mì Xíu Mại. The bustling city of Saigon, now Ho Chi Minh City, has played a pivotal role in shaping the modern Bánh Mì Xíu Mại. Its street food culture and the culinary creativity of its residents have elevated this dish to new heights. We've covered history and regional influences, but what about the meticulous craftsmanship behind Bánh Mì Xíu Mại? Let's step into a kitchen and see the magic happen. Creative variations. Some innovative vendors take Bánh Mì Xíu Mại to the next level by introducing creative variations. From adding unique sauces to experimenting with alternative proteins, these twists on the classic dish showcase the dynamic nature of Vietnamese street food. The sweet surprise. One unique aspect of Bánh Mì Xíu Mại is the occasional addition of a sweet element. Some vendors incorporate a touch of sweetness into the meatball mixture, creating a delightful contrast to the savory and spicy flavors. It's like a hidden treasure waiting to be discovered in every bite. The art of meatball crafting. Crafting the perfect Xiu Mai is an intricate process that involves a precise balance of ground meat, spices, and sometimes, a well-guarded family recipe. These skilled artisans transform simple ingredients into flavorful, juicy meatballs that define the heart of Bánh Mì Xíu Mại. Marinating magic. Marinating is the unsung hero. The secret to the tantalizing flavor of Bánh Mì Xíu Mại lies in the marination process. Vendors often let the meatballs soak in a flavorful marinade, allowing them to absorb the rich tastes of garlic, lemongrass, and other secret ingredients. Now that we've covered the behind-the-scenes magic, let's talk about the perfect pairings that take Bánh Mì Xíu Mại to the next level. Ideal pairings. While Bánh Mì Xíu Mại shines on its own, the experience is elevated when paired with complementary side dishes and beverages. Whether it's a refreshing Vietnamese iced coffee, pickled vegetables, or a side of crispy spring rolls, the combinations are endless, and each vendor adds their unique touch. Well, there you have it, folks, the unknown facts of Vietnamese Bánh Mì Xíu Mại. The next time you bite into this delicious dish, remember the rich history, the fusion of flavors, the versatility of Xiu Mai, and the regional variations that make it a truly unique culinary experience. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more food adventures, and let us know in the comments if there's another dish you'd like us to explore. Until next time, happy eating!